Hi guys, my name is Bernard and I'm the team leader. So Samuel and I are the one who in charge of editing videos. So he's the one who edits the videos and I'm the one who in charge of doing some PowerPoint slides and also the video's background.
Hello, my name is Samuel Tham. How?
Alright, after that, Futher and Zheng Wei are the ones in charge of designing and building our prototype.
Hello, my name is Wong.
Hello everyone, my name is Ngu Zheng Wei.
Alright, last but not least, Kun and Chong Yeu are the ones in charge of coding our Arduino Uno.
Hello, I'm Yong Kun-sun.
Hello guys, I'm Chong Yeu. Based on the situation in the last video, we are going to build a social distance sensor by using Arduino Uno to prevent that kind of thing happens. With this social distance sensor, it can alert us when our distance is less than 1 meter between me and the person in front of me.
So social distancing is a practice of physical distancing which you must stay at least 6 feet or about 2 arms length from other people. And in these respondent rankings, the social distancing accounts 36.9% in COVID-19 prevention practice. So COVID-19 spread happens when an infected person coughs, sneezes, or talks, and the droplets from their mouth or nose are launched into the air and land in the mouths or noses of people nearby. Therefore, social distancing is especially important for people who are at higher risk for severe illness from COVID-19.
There are two proposed solutions from our discussion. The first solution is to build a petrol machine that can warn people about the social distance in public areas. The second solution is to build a wearable social distance sensor that can detect the safe distance between people. In the end, we have decided to go for the second solution because we have limited materials around us and we are unable to go for the first solution. Here is the coding for our Arduino project. The first part is to define the pins we are going to use for ultrasonic sensor, red LED, green LED, and the buzzer. The second part of this coding is to define the variables, which are the duration and the distance. For the setup part, we set the echo pin as input and the rest is set as output. For the looping part, the first 5 lines are for the ultrasonic sensors to function. The last part of this coding is basically how our Arduino project functions. If the distance detected by the ultrasonic sensor is between 0 and 100 cm, the buzzer will be making noises and the red LED, which has the pin number 11, will turn on, while the green LED will turn off. Else, the opposite things will happen.
purpose of this project is to increase the awareness of social distance for all people and adhere strictly to SOP during this pandemic COVID-19 predicament. Together, we can suppress and break down the change of COVID-19.
So for the further improvement, we can use a rechargeable battery to power our Arduino, so we do not have to change the battery every time it is run out of energy. It is more easier because we can charge it, and this can save our environment too.
Another further improvement is to add a button to the social distance sensor. By adding this button, we can turn it on when we are going to use it and turn it off when we have done using it. By doing this, we can prevent the excessive consumption of electricity, which is the battery. Also, we can prevent the buzzer from keep making noises when we are not using it.
In an alternating way, we can use a motion sensor to replace the button so that the ultrasonic sensors can be switched on and off itself automatically by detecting the movement in front of the sensor, so that the ultrasonic sensors will only function if the motion sensor detects humans in front of it. I've learned that how to be a leader, which need to distribute tasks to every member evenly. Besides, I also learned how to code the coding for the Arduino Uno using the IDE program and understand how the sensors work.
From this Arduino project, I have learned that Arduino coding can be a good starting point for people to learn about programming.
I have learned that the importance of communication with the team member during the process of doing the project.
From this assignment, I learned how to make a prototype using different materials. Besides that, I also learned how to cooperate and communicate well with my teammates to successfully build out the prototype.
I've learned on how to design and decorate a prototype of the Arduino board. I've also learned on how to be tolerant and accept decisions made by the other group members.
Through this assignment, I learned how to edit video and also how to coding.